If you've ever found yourself stuck with a spam limitation on your Telegram account and suddenly can't message people you need to, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to appeal a spam restriction and unlock your account. Plus, I'll show you what you can do to avoid getting hit with another spam report in the future. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get back to smooth, stress-free messaging and keep your account clean going forward. Let's start right at the source. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the spam info bot on Telegram. To find it, just go to your Telegram search bar and type in @spam info bot. This is the official bot designed for these situations. When you start a chat, tap the start button. This kicks off the bot's activity. If you're currently experiencing a restriction, the bot will instantly display a message letting you know that your account has been limited due to spam concerns. Seeing that pop up can be a little frustrating, but this is exactly the tool you need to sort things out. Next, you'll see a few options. Don't worry, the wording might seem a bit informal, but what you want to look for is the option, "But I can't message non-contacts." This means you're unable to message anyone except folks who already have your number saved in their contacts. Go ahead and select that. This tells the system what kind of limitation you're facing. Now comes a bit of confirming and clarifying. The bot will ask if you want to proceed. Choose yes, and then when prompted further, select no, only never do any of this. That means you're letting them know you haven't done any spammy behavior intentionally. The system needs this confirmation to make sure they're handling actual cases of mistaken limitations. After that, you'll be prompted to send a message explaining your situation to the Telegram support team. This is where you want to take a moment and write clearly and politely. You can say something simple like, "Dear Telegram support, my Telegram account has been spammed suddenly and I cannot send messages to contacts whom I don't have their number if I am the chat starter. Kindly help to fix the issue and remove the spam report. Best regards." Think of this like sending a respectful email to customer service. It's important to be straightforward and avoid getting emotional or defensive here. Once you send your message, all you can do now is wait for review. The moderation team will look into your account. If your ban is actually a mistake, and that happens more often than you might think, especially if you just reached out to a few new people, they'll unblock your account. The bot will let you know if the issue's been resolved, or if it turns out you did break a spam rule, it'll let you know how long the limitation is expected to last. Don't worry if you don't hear back right away. Sometimes these reviews can take a little while, so hang tight. Now, before you go, let's talk prevention. Nobody wants to go through this twice. To avoid future spam reports, start by being careful with your messaging habits. Only send messages to people you genuinely know or who would actually want to hear from you. Mass messaging strangers is a surefire way to trigger a spam flag. Remember, Telegram wants users to feel safe from unwanted contact. Take a minute to check your privacy settings too. In Telegram, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under Privacy, set your phone number visibility to nobody. This keeps your number private. For groups and channels, change who can add me to my contacts or nobody, so only people you trust can get into group chats with you. And set calls to my contacts as well to avoid unknown callers. These small tweaks can make a huge difference and keep random spammers or bots from targeting you. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough helpful and you're feeling more confident in handling spam issues on Telegram. If you have any questions about the appeal process or privacy settings, feel free to drop a comment below. I always do my best to reply. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your Telegram truly spam-free.